Alright, so in this video we're going to explain something called descaling. So there's something called limescale or scale buildup, which happens from the natural minerals in your water. And depending on your water source, if that's filtered water, if you use mineral water that's bottled, or if you use your water from your sink, different water sources may have different levels of minerals in them. Well, those minerals will build up, especially attaching to metal components inside machines, hence your coffee maker. So if you do that and you use, say, your filter water, then you might not have much. But if you use sink water, and depending on how much minerals are, you might need to descale your machine, aka remove that scale buildup. To do so, we need something acidic. In this case, we're going to be using white vinegar and water. So we're going to be using 4 parts water and then 1 part white vinegar. So this is a common descaling solution. And to do that, the first thing we'll do is remove any coffee from our filter. And we can leave the filter in there or we can take it out. We do want the filter holder though, because this has the drip stop and it'll direct the water into the carafe so that there's no messes. So we can use this or not, but the point is we don't want coffee in here. Okay. So here we have water filled up to the 8 mark. And we'll just pour that into the reservoir here. And you should be able to see on the indicator window when I get to the 8. And then we'll fill the rest from the 8 to the 10 with the white vinegar. This will give us a 4-to-1 ratio of water to vinegar. So here's our white vinegar. And from here, the next step is to just brew it as usual, again without coffee. So we'll replace our empty carafe. Okay. And we'll turn on the machine. So it's now it's in standby mode, but not sleeping. And we'll make sure that we press this coffee powder button so that the grinder does not spin. We're not using the grind. We're not going to be using the grinder because we're not going to be using coffee. And we'll just hit the power button. It'll just go through that whole cycle. It'll use all of the water or water and vinegar solution that's in the reservoir, and that'll be it. And when that's finished, we can then refill the machine up to the 10 cup, to the max fill line, with just clean drinking water, and run that cycle just to rinse out that flavor of vinegar so that it doesn't taint your coffee. Thanks for watching.